What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening, and I wanted to make one more last video this night about Aergo, which I already saw yesterday. Then I didn't want to make an analysis on that, and I'll talk about why. Because this is a very weird bull run, all right? And every month you have a couple of bull runs which classify like this, and usually they don't really get somewhere. Aergo, on the other hand, I mean, you can see that from the last day, we actually had that initial run, and then we went all the way up to 30 cents, a major run. As you can see, we had that initial run, even before, like 3 days ago, we had that run. But today I still felt like covering it because first thing I want to do is I want to warn you. All right, what you can see if you zoom out to the daily, Aergo has been pretty strong compared to last month. All right, we're at the same levels we were at last year, October and November. And Aergo is a legit project. All right, it has some real potential, so you should know that. This bull run though doesn't really remind me of something like this. This was sustainable in a bull market. It reminds me more of something like this, or something like this, or something like this, or something like this. As you can see, Aergo has a reputation of falling down and spiking real hard. All right, and I don't think it will be like this, but I do think that when we will drop down hard. All right, so I just want to tell you that personally I would stay out of it. Obviously there's money to be made, so it's your decision, but I just wanted to notify you about that. And the reason why I didn't cover it yesterday, which is why I don't really like this move either, is that sometimes every month you have a couple of these moves that are just fueled 100% from Korea. You can see here the KRW, that's the token, I wanted to say the currency, the Korean currency. And you can see that almost like 75% of the volume comes from Korea. That isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I do know that I see this every month a couple of times for a couple of tokens, and they have a spike, a lot of volume from Korea, and then they drop down. All right, that's why I didn't cover it yesterday. Today I felt like, all right, it's a little bit more, and there's a lot of volume coming from other exchanges too. Let's check it out. All right, so the main thing right now for Aergo is we touched 35 cents as a top. As I said, I expect Aergo to drop down very hard when we are going to drop down. In my opinion, when we would drop down is when we break through our major support level, which at this point of time is 25 cents. If we can actually stay above 25 cents for the next 12 hours, then I think we're going all the way up to 40 cents. So I do think it's possible to get to 40 cents. I don't think it's possible to break through 40 cents. But some strict criteria, holding above 25 cents. And to me, it's more likely that we'll have a bearish breakout through 25 cents. And I think that when we break through 25 cents, maybe we will take a small break retest, but I think we'll very easily drop down to 20 cents, maybe find some support there, but eventually I expect us in a little bit more of the long term to drop down to 15 and 14 cents down here. So yeah, one last time, just a warning, just be careful with it, all right? If you do want to trade it, use stop losses and don't risk more than you're willing to lose. So that's my opinion and my analysis for now on Aergo. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye.